What's going on guys, Zaina here, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own YouTube channel banner. So first of all, you have to download Pixel Lab. The link is given in the description below. Click on three dots on the top right. After that, image size. Then change the preset to YouTube channel banner. Click on the plus on the top left, then from gallery. 3 lines on the top left, then on download. Now as you can see, I've already downloaded a galaxy background for my banner. If you want to download your own, go on to your Google and search YouTube channel backgrounds. I am searching for a galaxy one. Now click on the one you like, and as you can see, there are lots and lots of backgrounds. After choosing your own, hold on to your background and click on download image. Now you just have to wait for it to download. Now as you can see, it's downloaded. Now go on to your Pixel Lab. Then you'll see your downloaded image right here. Now all you have to do is select it and click on the tick on the bottom right. Now drag it down to the right. Now on the bottom right you'll see an A. Click on it and then click on text and then drag it down just like I did. After that, create your own new text. It can be anything, your name, your YouTube channel's name, or anything you like. Right now I am typing my own YouTube channel's name and then just drag it down in the middle. Now at the bottom you can see lots of options. Scroll to the left side and you'll see an option called stroke. Enable that, and as you can see, there are lots of colors available to you. You can even choose your own. Now go on to shadow and enable that too, and the same thing goes here. You can choose your own colors. Now as you can see, there are lots and lots of options. You can even change the size of the text or mask it. I'm just gonna change the font, and there are lots of fonts. You can choose your own. Now just drag it down in the middle and do the same thing which I showed you guys earlier. Doing the same thing as before, stroke enabled, and you can even choose your own color by clicking on the plus sign, and same goes with the stroke enabled. And here you go, you made your own YouTube channel banner. Now just save it as image. Now just save to gallery. Now to put the banner on your channel, go on to your browser and search for YouTube desktop. Zoom in and click on the three lines which are on the top left, then my channel. Now as you guys see, here's my YouTube channel banner. And to change it, click on the pencil which is on the top right. Now just select the banner you made and wait for it to upload. And there you go, you can even adjust the crop. Now here comes our favorite part. Just save it and there you go. You just made your own YouTube channel banner. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the